Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Maddie, and before we get started, I am so excited to let you guys know that this is a collab with my friend Tyler. I'm gonna have all her information in the description box and I'll pop it up. When I started YouTube, I really wanted just to have some sort of community, make some friends. I absolutely love keeping up with her and her channel. Her Instagram is so cute. Mom of 2 boys. If you are in need of some motivation, some inspiration, she's a great follow. Cleaning, meals that look so yummy. She's been posting like dinner ideas and I'm all about that. Very authentic. I love what she shares. I agree with like everything that, she stands by. Definitely go check her out. She also posts like her to-do list, and I am such a list person, like her checking off her to-do list, and also it'll probably really motivate you to do that as well. She also shares a lot about clean, non-toxic products. You can learn a lot from her. What is happening? Definitely go check her out. But in today's video, I am going to be doing kind of like a 24-hour transformation. The reason why I'm saying it's 24-hour transformation and not just like a get ready with me or pamper with me is because I just don't have the energy to do all that in one night. I am showing you my self-tanning routine and my favorite tanners. Kitty, get down. I am showing you how I did like these heatless curls, and I did them for the first time in this video, but I definitely want to do them again and like perfect them, but they lasted for days. I did my dip nails. I got ready basically for my baby shower, but yeah, it literally took a couple days. Anyways, I hope you enjoy. I hope you learned something. So without further ado, let's just get on into the video. Here's the before. My hair, like it's supposed to be parted in the middle, but it's like all over the place now. I have like bedhead and it's clean. It's just like not obviously placed where I want it. So I thought that we could try some heatless curls, and if they don't work out, I can just put my hair up in a bun or something. I have not gotten around to self-tanning in forever. I can't even tell you the last time I self-tanned. First thing I'm gonna do is hop in the shower, shave everything that you want to shave, take a loofah or whatever you want to exfoliate with. I like to really go good on like my wrists, my elbows, and your knees, your ankles. So I will be back when I'm out of the shower. Look how big my belly is. So these are my 2 favorite self-tanners. The Bondi Sands, of course, from Walgreens, and then the Dripping Gold. You know what? I'm gonna pop it up on the screen. This is the darkest self-tanner I've ever used, and the prettiest color. This, I think it is like this is the 1 Hour Express, but honestly this does not get like dark enough for me, so I would sleep in this one. And this one has a red undertone. This one has a green undertone. So if you mix it, it makes it even darker. And I'm not gonna leave it on for that long, so I'm gonna mix them because also I don't have that much of either one. And then I'm just gonna put on some lotion on. And then I love the like fuzzy mitts. This one's from Saint Tropez, but I just get like any. Love the pumps because you can like, do like 2 pumps on the arms, 4 pumps on the legs. Like this kind of sprays out, and it's kind of hard to measure like how much you're putting on each body part. But I'm just gonna do like 2 pumps of this and then like a little bit of this. This one is really satisfying because it grows. It's been so long since I've tanned. I literally used to do it like once a week. And then to go over my hands, I straighten my hands and then I go over each finger with it straight. You don't want to like, or once you straighten your fingers, it doesn't look right. We're gonna start with 1 pump and like a dab of that. So for my legs, I always do 4 pumps, but I think I'll do 3 and then a squirt of like that. Oh my God, I can barely bend over. My belly's in the way. Woo! So you can see. I'm just gonna take whatever's left on the mitt and go over my belly. Now it's time for the hair portion of the video. I have not watched a video on this in so long and I just don't feel like it, so I'm just gonna wing it. I'm just gonna put this like lightweight robe on, that way it's not gonna like interfere with my tanner. So I'm just gonna split it down the middle. This is water. So let me see if I can get rid of this bed head. I would recommend just getting out of the shower and doing this. I feel like my hair is not staying wet, it's just drying so fast. I'm gonna have to wet it by sections. Put it on your head. You're supposed to have a clip, but I just have these things. My hair, I'm not kidding, is already dry. I look like a bunny. I'm gonna do like a whole section under here. Wrap it around. Take another section and add it with that hair. Wrap it, and I'm gonna spray. Spray like the hair that's left. Wrap the rest around. Secure it. My husband is not gonna know what he's coming home to. He's out bowling with my dad right now, which I love that for them. Oh, okay, y'all, I forgot to like put them back. This is why I should have watched a video. I'm like twisting both of these back so they're like tighter. And then I'm gonna take a scrunchie. This is what it looks like. I don't know. I don't know what the ends are looking like. I don't know if they're all scrunched tied up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it down. Is this gonna be comfortable to sleep in? I don't know. Okay, so now I am going to wait like maybe another hour, just like before I fall asleep basically. I am going to just rinse off my tan, go to sleep, hopefully. I lay on my left side. I don't think it's gonna be like that bad, honestly, but we'll see. And then I'll catch you tomorrow. Do my dip nails that I've been doing and getting somewhat ready for my baby shower. So, good night everyone. See you in the morning. We are having the baby shower today here. I have like these 3-drawer things and they're on wheels, so it's easy for me to like put this away, but then I can like roll it out and I can put it like in front of the TV. I just love like doing my own nails right now. My husband is also leaf blowing like right outside. This is like my whole nail setup. Like all my dip powders and everything are in here. Nail tips and stuff. I'm not gonna be doing tips today. Okay, so I did a little bit of just like natural makeup because it's just my family coming over, so baby doll style dress. Figured I would just do my makeup when my hair was out of the way. So this style has been in for a long time. So it has probably been like 12 hours literally. I mean, it did give like really pretty curls. Let me get my hairbrush. I'm just gonna brush it all. I don't know, like that's pretty. It's honestly just the ends that are, you can see like crimped. So I'm gonna do something with it and then that'll be it. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.